In this video, I will show a great permanent repair that works on most makes and models. When the cable for the door latch breaks at the end where it's attached to the door handle. So in this case, the bump that is at the end of this wire broke off, so you couldn't open the door using the inside handle. And that's not good. So here's how it's done. First, remove the door panel. In this Hyundai, there are 2 Phillips screws, one hiding behind the handle and one here. Next, remove the corner plastic over here. It just pulls off. Now we slide off this cover behind the handle. Now we can pull the door panel off. We start at a corner that we can stick our fingers behind and give the panel a good tug. Once the clips start releasing, we work our way around the panel until all the clips are released. Now we lift slightly and the panel is off. In this case, I didn't need to remove the electrical connector, but sometimes if you don't, the panel won't come off enough for you to work around it. So I just let the panel sit on the ground and lean on the door. Next we will remove the door handle. Usually there are 3 screws, but here there are only 2. And here we see the repair. This wire comes with a bulge that sits in the slot in the handle. But over time, with the movement of the handle, it breaks off. And when you try to open the door, it doesn't open. So you have to open the window and then open the door with the outside handle. But that's not very cool. So here I will show you a permanent repair that is very easy to do, and you won't have to replace the cable, which many times is very difficult to do. This is what you need. All you need is a wire connector, also called a terminal block. It's normally used for electrical wires and is found at the hardware store. First, remove one connector from the bunch. Next, you peel off the insulation. I like to make a slit and the whole thing comes off. Now all you need to do is stick that cable inside the connector and tighten the little screw. Make sure it's tight and doesn't pull out. Tighten also the other screw so it's not in the way. And you can slide the cable back onto the handle and the handle will work. Make sure it does. And install the handle and the door panel. And you're done. The handle will work again. If you would like to learn many more tips that will save you time and money, please subscribe to the channel, and you will get notified when I upload more of these helpful tips. And if you like this video, please smash the like button so YouTube will like me too. If this video saved you from great frustration, please consider help support my channel by hitting the thanks down below and paying for a cup of coffee or some milk, because these videos take lots of thoughts and effort to put together, and any amount is a big help. Thank you for watching.